how to embed your BotSonic bot in your website. In order to do that, click on this integrations right here and you can copy right here your JavaScript as well as your iframe. So just head over and then just choose which one. For me, I'll head over and just choose the JavaScript and click on this icon right here in order to copy it. Once you have copied the snippet, head over to your website editor. I'm using Shopify right here. And then I'll head over and click on this ad section. On this ad section, scroll down and you can see here the custom liquid. Click on this right here. And as you can see, this will be added. So just head over and click on this custom liquid right here and you can see here the liquid code. So just paste it right here, your JavaScript. And then just click on this save right here in order to save that. Once you have saved this, you can head over and then preview your actual page right here and you can see that it will look what it will look like as well. So let's head over and see our actual online store and let's see what it looks like right now with our bot. So let's just take some time for this to load. And then once it's been loaded, it will also take some seconds for your BotSonic bot to be added as well. So just wait with that. So that's how you embed your BotSonic bot in your website. Hope we helped.